Nice one, people. So basically, I cut up I use 2 medium-sized tomato, and quarter of mixed peppers, and 2 spring onion, 1 aubergine, and we got some spinach, 1 medium-sized garlic, and white onion. We're gonna show you how you can make yourself a beautiful, healthy meal, and these things doesn't show on social media. Only Chef. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch, and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. All right, beautiful people. So we're going to be making a nice, lovely strudel today with some mixed peppers, aubergine, and some spinach, and tomato, onion, and a lot of things. So I'm going to prepare these things, and then after I'll show you what we're going to do. So stick around and don't go anywhere. Let's do this, man. Nice one, people. So basically I cut up I use 2 medium-sized tomato, and quarter of mixed peppers, and 2 spring onion, 1 aubergine, and we got some spinach, 1 medium-sized garlic, and white onion. We're gonna show you how you can make yourself a beautiful, healthy meal, and these things doesn't show on social media. Only Chef Ricardo do these things at home. So my advice, the recipe is basic recipes because you can do whatever you want to make at home. You only want to know that you have the ingredients like these: aubergine, or some people call it eggplant, spinach, and then we got some good sweet potato. This one, very good for you if you have high blood pressure. This is what we're going to be cooking also. So we're going to show you exactly what to do, and remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. Bless upon yourself, people. My respect on you all the time. Let's do this. So right here we have garlic and white onion. Fry up that inside of it. We got tomato and spring onion. So this is a tomato, spring onion. All right. We got mixed peppers, so we're using quarter of each peppers. So you can see what's going on. But what we're going to do, we're going to add the aubergine inside of it, make it cook down with it also. what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of season inside of it. Alright. You can use your favorite season where you like. Little bit of paprika. That's paprika. Take myself all the way to India with some cumin seeds. Yeah. Few seeds in it. Here it is, all the way to India. This is fennel seeds. MZ, big up yourself. Thank you so much. This one is not. This one is fennel seed. Yeah, fennel seeds. Here it is. Yeah. Those seeds are very important to cook with. Nice one. So put a little bit of mixed herb in it, and as I say, you can add what kind of flavor you want to add to it, because it's you going to be cooking your one at home, so you want to add flavor to it. So you know what I mean, yeah, that's how it look. I'm going to put a can of chopped tomato inside of it. Alright, you don't have to use canned tomato, but it's still healthy with the benefit of canned tomato. Yeah, 100% still benefits same way. Alright, and that's how it look. Excellent. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of my favorite inside of it. Spinach. Here it is. Spinach, guys. Very important food right there when I cook it. Alright, let's alright, I got my little secret right here. You know. Yeah. Yeah, make it fall inside of it. Yeah, you see that? Like a stew. So instead of you're gonna eat beef or chicken this evening, I'll just replace this with chicken. So cover it and allow it, make it go and cook for a few minutes, and then we have a look at it. And this looking amazing, looking healthy, isn't it? Yeah, that's looking good. Alright. Yeah, right now we don't have to cook down this no more, because this is not. We're gonna shear it up. Alright, let's shear it up. As I say, you have to cook it your way because you're not going to have the same season what Chef Ricardo have. Unless you're gonna get Ringovijan season. You get what I mean? Yeah. So alright. Yeah, so but as you can see, this doesn't take long to cook, guys. Look at that. Alright. Yeah. That doesn't take too long to cook. As you guys can see, that is looking very good and delicious. Alright. Very simple, but the thing about this is very healthy. And that's the key point. You know what I mean? We couldn't be cooking some corned beef and white rice, but we choose something healthy, and you can cook some oxtail and whatever you like, you know. Yes, so we just try our best to do something healthy at all time. All right, people, you don't know it already. We're not gonna keep it up too long today. Just remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. Alright, is available on Amazon. Get yourself one of these book and support the progress. You don't know the thing already. We try our best to give you something and an amazing at home. Aubergine stew down with some sweet potato and vegetables and avocado. If it is something you like, you know what I mean. The weather is hot. Some people may not want to cook this. People might have salad or juice. But if you feel for something, goes for this. Big up on yourself and thank you for watching. And yeah, I saw you with part 2 on this episode right here. Alright.